Yes, summarize your goals in a mission statement that guides you. This is putting together your goals, your aim, your target, and the important purpose. You put them together, compile them, and focus on delivering those targets. Yes, delivering those targets. Because that is what will boost the framework of your business, which is your channel. Your channel is your business. Now that you have thought holistically about your channel mission and where you want to go in the future, it is time to put those aspirations into action. Try using this framework that is commonly taught in business schools. What do you do? What do you reach? Who do you reach? How do you reach them? How do you interact with them? How much will you make? What will it cost you? What do you need? How do you do it? Who will help you? When you are able to consider all these things, your channel is halfway or 50% on the way to explode and to attract many people, many customers, which is viewers, to your channel and to your business. Now let us define it one after the other. Here comes, what do you do with your channel? What do you do with your channel? What do you deliver? And how valuable are those content? What do you consider valuable in your content? What do you do with your channel mission in mind? This is something that you should have in mind. Consider your value proposition. What makes your content and channel special? Consider all these things and work hard to develop more unique and special content, knowing the fact that there are many other people out there in the market platform that are doing the same thing that you do. So when you are able to create more special content, work on the legitness of this content, you will be able to grow your channel high. Now, how do you reach these people? How do you reach these people? Your customer segment, which is your viewers, how do you reach them? How do you reach the customers which you are targeting? Because your business right now is your YouTube channel, and your customers are your viewers. What they purchase from you is your content. How do you receive your funds? Is when they stay and come back and view, subscribe to your channel, then you get traffic accumulated to your system. Then you get your pay. Now, how do you reach your customers, your viewers? Think about their location, gender, and age. Beyond that, what events or moments are important to them? When you're able to deal with these things, you'll be able to capture and to receive and to get more viewers to your channel. How do you reach these people? This includes your YouTube channel plus other distribution channels such as website, blog, or other social media, etc., that you use to advertise and to publish and promote your channel. As you know, as a system that YouTube is, there are other systems that also helps in distributing and promoting your products. So when you are able to enlarge your cost by, as well as creating other marketing platform, you will be able to reach more and more people. And you should also develop your code of interaction, how you interact with your customer. Deal with your customer relationship because you know your customer relationship are all the touch points. This is the touch point with your viewers. The way you interact with your customers determines how open and attracted that customer will be to your business, which is to your channel. From your initial marketing or your channel trailer to ongoing support, try to interact and relate with your customers, most especially in the community post. How much will you make? Your revenue stream may come from advertising as well as other sources such as merchandise, super chats, crowdfunding, brand deals, or other events, because when people discover that your channel is a super unique channel and you create bright and educative content, they may decide to give you some business, thereby you advertising for their product, and from there you get contract as well. When somebody gives you a contract to advertise a certain product on your website, it's a hookup. This is due to the legitness and the clean delivery of your product, which is the content you create. What do you need? Your resources can be physical, equipment, location, intellectual, ideas, branding, and financial. Yes, funds that go towards your content and channel. The things you need, these are your resources. Normally, you need things to promote your business. You need funds to promote your business, as well as equipment, the locations, and intellectuals, idea, branding, and finance. This finance, this is funds that go towards your content and channel, because every business has a starting point and has an exploding point. The starting point is when you start the business. At that early period, you try to grow the business. Then you have little customers coming in and coming out. Then the exploding point is when you have grown the business to an extent that you don't deal more on looking for buyers. They already know and they are tripping in and tripping out, coming in every day. That is the exploding process. How do you do it? You activate your activities, transform your resources into a product. For content, this typically includes planning, producing, editing, and task for running your channel. What you need to do, how do you do it? What do you do? This is your activities within your channel. Your activities transform your channel, transform your resources into a product. It transforms your content into a product where people will come and buy to watch you. This typically includes planning. You need to plan. You need to create an atmosphere where you bring out ideas and discuss what do the community needs and how can I deliver. In which way will I present this that the community will accept it and want to come back more and more. The way you producing, your editing structure, and the task for running your channel. Who will help you? The last building block covers the key partner who help you conduct your business. Example includes multi-channel networks or talent management agency. These are the partners that will help you boost your product and your business. Remember, multi-channel networks and talent management agency, you may not be an expert, you may not be specialized in content creation, but there are agencies that are specialized in helping you, in giving you the inspiration that you need to create an educative and unique content. Remember to stay flexible and revisit this framework. Remember to stay flexible and revisit this framework from time to time, because your channel and the market most likely will evolve and you will want to adjust your strategy accordingly. So when you come back from time to time to watch and listen to GMC Crew, you will get more ideas on what you need to do, because you are not definitely going to remain in this stage of your channel. You will grow and you will have more and more. And mind you, the more customers and the more wider your business goes, which is your channel, the more viewers, subscribers you continue to have, the more responsibility that you get, because you will need to create a content that will accommodate those people. In many cases, creators decide to set up a formal business entity to help them organize and expand their operation. Just like as I said before, you could be a team, maybe 2 persons, creating an educational or comedy content, but later on advance to a team of 10 or 15 or a movie team. This is the expansion and that is the advancity of your business. So in many cases, this often happens. You must grow. This is a show. So, and this is why creators always decide to set up a formal business entity, because it helps them to organize and expand their operations. When you put these things into considerations, you will be able to expand your business. What are the things you put into consideration? Look at it. What is the main focus of your business? Could this change? How many people will you have as employees or contractor? Do you think that you will need to bring in investors to partner at a later stage? There are different types of business entity around the world. Here are the main types of business entity in the United States and all over the world. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest structure. The sole proprietorship is the individual who owns the business and is responsible for its debt. Typically, you choose to trade a trade name and source a legal license to get started. Secondly, partnership. This is similar to the above, but consists of 2 or more people who run the business. 3, limited liability company, that is LLC. This type of structure allows LLC owner to protect their personal assets while reporting their earnings on their individual tax return. The rules for forming an LLC company may vary on your location. That is a company where you allow different organizations to partner and buy shares from your company. These people are able to protect their personal assets because they are in one way connected to your channel, but they create their own content, fund their own content, but under the license from your company. With this, they are allowed to protect their assets. But the only thing is that their earnings are on their own. They will be getting their earnings, and their reports are individual as well, and they will be able to give their own tax in return. The rules of forming LLC may vary based on your location and may be more easier based on your location. Corporation. This is the most formal type of business. You are required to maintain corporate paperwork, minutes, and bylaws. As S corporation allows shareholders to avoid double taxation on their corporate income. I know this is a deep part of it, but this is the structure and the roadmap to growing your business. How you set up your business can have legal and financial implications, such as filing taxes. You may want to consult with a lawyer and accountant to determine which structure best suits your needs. When assessing your options, remember to consider your future direction and business priorities. Try it. Apply the 9 steps in the framework for your business. The 9 steps which I just defined, when you apply them, if you cannot recall, please go back and replay this video. Replay it and apply the 9 steps in the framework for your business to your channel carefully. Consider each of the building blocks, starting with your core value proposition. With this, you will be able to grow a wide range business and be able to expand your YouTube and make it go viral. Research the differences and the types of business entity available in your location. Identify the advantage and disadvantage to each. With this, you will be able to consider to know in between 1 and 2 videos. You will be able, when you publish a video content, make sure before you publish that video, you make a research. Pick up some other content which other experts have created. Look at those contents. Work on your inner being. Bring out your ideas. Try to see the disadvantage and the advantage in some of those videos, in some of those contents, and use those skills to improve your own skills. Test your knowledge. Now, answer some of these questions which I am going to ask here. The answer to what you do, what you deliver, represents the uniqueness of your channel. Your production schedule, your content, your revenue goals, your 5-year business plan. If you want to save your results, if you want more and more customers to be tripping in, which is your viewers, to be tripping into your channel, you have to consider every single thing that I have taught on this channel, on this broadcast. Once again, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you for being available all along and for being around till the end of this video. If you are still out there watching this video right now, I want you to send me a comment in the comment section stating your name and the means by which I can be able to reach you, because I have promised to always give away a surprising surprise to all my viewers. So give me a comment in the comment section below so that I will be able to give you and send you your own surprise. Once again, you are welcome to GMC Crew. The broadcaster is humble for GMC. You are welcome. And if this message, if this content, this educative content and this teaching has touched you in any way, also give me a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any idea, anything that you want to relate with me based on the topic, you can still give me a comment. You can still send me a comment through the comment section below. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button so that you will be notified on every video that I published, because all my content are strictly educational and I am working on more videos that will be business related and channel boosting related, Facebook marketing related, Instagram boosting related, and many more. As you click on the notification button to receive, to be one of the first viewers of my video, you will always get it at the tip, because we will continue to produce educational content which will help you and help me in building our business, which is our YouTube channel. Once again, thank you. And please, as I said before, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to be able to get notified of my latest content. Thank you, GMC Crew, humble for GMC, the broadcaster. Goodbye.